Hello, I'm Manjiri.
Hi, I am Mrudula.
We are going to present online exercise 2B on open workspace. What is an open workspace? An open workspace is the workplace design which maximizes the use of large open spaces and minimizes the use of cubicles. Dilbert has done a lot to ridicule the cubicle. Almost every cubicle developer environment has at least one Dilbert cartoon posted somewhere, as quoted by Sean Michael Kerner. My favorite argument against cubicles is I like reading Dilbert, but I don't want to be Dilbert. So, what are the features of Open Workspace? Open Workspace is a part of extreme programming. What is extreme programming? XP, as it is popularly known, is one of several popular agile processes. It is defined as a set of values, principles, and practices for rapidly developing high-quality software that provides the highest value for the customer in the fastest way possible. Joint practices comes under extreme programming. What is joint practice? It involves work done together as a team. It is used for creating one team, and these practices are for everyone. Everybody on the team, including programmers, customers, and management, needs to be doing these all the time. They bring the sub-teams together to create the one team we are after. Open Workspace is classified under joint practices of extreme programming. There are no doors, no individual offices, and no cubicles in an open workspace. It is currently the most popular form of modern office design. Open workspace involves tearing down walls and cubes and encouraging open participation from all employees in an informal environment. It reduces cost through more efficient space utilization. It is also increasing productivity through more employee collaboration and teamwork. There is open exchange of information and it promotes flexibility. So what do the stats say? More than 200 organizations were surveyed across various industry sectors. It was found that 60% prefer an open workspace to cubicles. Of these, 79% provide open office space for nearly 4 out of every 5 of their employees. 81% believe open office plans lead to increased visibility, enhanced transparency, and improved ethical behavior. A reduction in offensive language, increased politeness, a more open exchange of information, and enhanced transparency were all cited as benefits of open workspaces. 64% have not had any visible ethical violations within the past 2 years. Most cite that the C and B scene quality of open plans increases the likelihood that policies and procedures are followed.
What are the advantages of open workspaces? Better space utilization due to flexibility and scalability. Open spaces are more flexible, so as you grow, you can easily move furniture around freely without walls getting in the way. Employee equality. Everyone, including senior management, sit out together on the main floor. Enhanced employee engagement. Open workspace arrangement reduces dependency on a single person. Other advantages are improved employee retention and reduced employee misconduct. Open workspaces present less opportunity for slacking, personal phone calls, or surfing the web. Also, seeing co-workers getting their work done promotes others to stay on task and focus. This is how it promotes honesty and sincerity. Most people appreciate the sense of community which an open-spaced work environment provides. Instead of one person working on an issue, open workspace tasks get several eyes and ears searching for a solution. This leads to increased creativity. Open communication for exchange of information, as there is easy access to team members and managers. An open space office provides more motivation and leads to better results in the team thanks to the eye contact and communication. There are a few disadvantages of open workspaces. Open space leaves no room for private conversations. This leads to lack of privacy. The chief complaint about open workspaces seems to be the close proximity to co-workers. Even if others are not interested in knowing the details of their lives, they can't really avoid learning them in these close quarters. Greater number of distractions causes inability to concentrate. As storage and wall space is shared with others, there is no individual personal space.
So, which process is better and how to decide? Use a checklist to decide the environment that best fits your needs. Answer the questions and add up the check marks to help decide which layout to adopt. It really depends on the task at hand and the people who will inhabit the environment. So it cannot be generalized and you must decide which is better for your needs. A good compromise would involve the best of both practices. Experts agree that there is no one-size-fits-all formula for designing the ideal workplace. While planning office space, it is important to find a balance between a marketplace of completely open office and dead silence of isolated capsules. The best workspace is probably a combination of both open space and private space. But it should also involve flex seating and meeting rooms where people can brainstorm together with each other, as well as private rooms for working alone, say for confidential deals, private meetings. Also, they should include spaces for collaborative teamwork and also a relaxing area where people can socialize, goof off.
On a concluding note, cubicle walls make for an isolated and restrictive workplace. A better solution is an open workspace where people can overhear things, contribute when it makes sense, and have impromptu discussions about anything that matters. An open workspace works well when the people on the team respect each other enough to work in that workspace. If someone wants to goof off, they go to the goof off area, which should be a different place. The workspace should be fun, but it should be a place where work gets done. Some people suggest that the open workspace practice means XP will not work for large teams in a single mega cube or some other open workspace, as it would be noisy and chaotic. But it becomes a problem only if there is no arrangement for a separate personal working space. These are the references, and this is the further reading. Thank you.